Make a great choice today with the 2017 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.